Labrador Retriever health insurance, pros and cons. Labrador Retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds globally. They are loved for their loyalty, playfulness, and energy levels. However, like all dogs, Labradors are prone to certain health issues that can be costly to treat. That's why many pet owners consider taking out health insurance for their furry friends. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of Labrador Retriever health insurance. Pros: 1. Peace of mind. One of the primary advantages of having health insurance for your Labrador Retriever is the peace of mind it provides. When you have pet insurance, you know that your furry friend is protected, and you won't have to worry about expensive veterinary bills. 2. Cost-effective. If your Labrador Retriever develops a chronic condition or requires surgery, the costs can add up quickly. However, with health insurance, you can save a significant amount of money on veterinary bills. The monthly premium for pet insurance is typically much cheaper than paying for treatment out of pocket. 3. Comprehensive coverage. Most pet insurance policies cover a broad range of health issues, including illnesses, injuries, and preventive care. This means that you can take your Labrador Retriever to the vet for regular checkups and vaccinations without having to worry about the cost. For access to the best care with health insurance, you can take your Labrador Retriever to the best vets in your area. You won't have to settle for a subpar vet because of financial constraints. 5. Options for customization. Several pet insurance providers offer customizable policies. This means that you can tailor your insurance coverage to meet your Labrador Retriever's specific needs. For example, if your dog has a pre-existing condition, you can purchase a policy that covers that condition. Cons: 1. Monthly premiums. The monthly premiums for pet insurance can be expensive, depending on your Labrador Retriever's age and health history. If your dog is older or has a pre-existing condition, you may have to pay higher premiums. 2. Exclusions and limitations. Most pet insurance policies come with exclusions and limitations. For instance, some policies may not cover pre-existing conditions or hereditary diseases. It's crucial to read the policy terms and conditions carefully to understand what's covered and what's not. 3. Deductibles and copays. Pet insurance policies often require deductibles and copays. A deductible is the amount you have to pay before the insurance kicks in, and a copay is the percentage of the veterinary bill you'll have to cover. These costs can add up over time. For limited reimbursement, some pet insurance policies have limits on the amount they'll reimburse you for veterinary bills. This means that, even with insurance, you may still have to pay out of pocket for certain types of treatment or services. 5. The claims process. Filing a claim with a pet insurance company can be time-consuming and challenging. Some providers require you to submit extensive documentation and paperwork, which can be frustrating. Conclusion: in conclusion, health insurance for your Labrador Retriever can provide peace of mind and financial protection. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider, such as the cost of premiums, exclusions and limitations, and the claims process. Ultimately, the decision to purchase pet insurance is entirely up to you and your unique circumstances, so it's essential to evaluate the pros and cons carefully.